Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to look at Google Maps. Google Maps give us direction during traveling. It also give a live traffic. Maybe you are in the city or you're somewhere far away from the city, but you want to come to the city and the city is very crowded with traffic. What you will do, you will have to delay a bit and make sure the traffic is no longer there, then you can go to the city. It can also be useful, for example, when a family member is traveling, for safety purposes, they can track where this very person has reached and they see where this person is exactly. So Google Maps can really help in allocating our location or in allocating our position where we are at that particular time. To get into Google Maps, you have to be in position to have internet on your computer. Here you go to Chrome. You come to Google Chrome. Then now you have to access the application. So here is Google Map. You click on it, then to be in position to open. So if you want the location now, you can come and type here or you search from here. So for example, you want to say Gulu University School of Medicine or Faculty of Medicine, it is here. So there it is. So you can also see that it has shown for you with a red arrow here. So this is where Gulu University Faculty of Medicine is from the map. And here also you can see there is a compound building for Gulu University. So somebody can just see at his or her Google Map and see the infrastructure which is there. You can see a building is there. Yes, this is the building of Gulu University Faculty of Medicine. So you'll be in position just to see through your Google Map. This is exactly the compound of Gulu University Faculty of Medicine. So this is the landscape, how it is. You can really be in position to locate. So now, especially when now you want to go away from Gulu University, maybe to the main market, you will also be in position to locate yourself there. Or you want to share this, you can share this with any person. You want to share it on WhatsApp or on Gmail to really show this person that you are in Gulu University. You can do this. You share through WhatsApp. You can also share in your Gmail. So this is how you can really locate yourself when you're using a Google Map. So there are very many things that you can really do under this Google Maps. The type of transport that you may need to use and how many minutes it takes to reach there. Sometimes you can put and it takes you 5 hours or 5 minutes to reach a particular place. You can be in position to know the distance between that. So Google Map is very important. Let us be in position to use it so that it can really ease in our life. Thank you for watching. You can like, follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time. See you.